And welcome. We've just got to the Lake District and we're off on a walk to find this secret waterfall. It's called Ghyll Waterfall and it's somewhere up there. We've had a look on the map and it's opposite somewhere called Old Beck. So we've plotted a route and we're gonna just go on a little adventure and try find it.
I'm too happy.
Got his new camera.
I'm so happy.
You're gonna take some good photos, babe.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so that wasn't the waterfall, that's a different one. I think the one that we're going to is up there, but the one I've just shown you is that one. And the map says it's not that one, so we keep moving. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. That was Whorney Waterfall. No, what is it? Whorney Side Waterfall.
Yeah.
Just a quick vlog. We just wanted to show you the route. I'll put it in the description box and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!